Good afternoon everyone, and today we are going to start class 7 NCERT SST subject. Okay, and I have a request to all of you, please focus on study, okay, and also enjoy in your homes. Okay, so let's start. Today uh, we will start from SST geography section. Okay, you know SST divides into three main and four main categories. First is geography, second is history, and third is economics, and fourth is politics. Okay, so today we are going to start geography, chapter number first. Okay, so chapter number first is our environment. ओके, हमारा पर्यावरण. ओके, सो फर्स्ट we will add index of first chapter our environment. First, what is environments, and second, environment components. How many components? Basically three components. Okay, first is natural environments, and second one is artificial environments, and third one is human environments. Okay, and third topic, biotic and abiotic. Okay, so this one is important, and the fourth is human resource. Okay, and fifth one is uh, lithosphere, atmosphere, biosphere, and the last one is hydrosphere. Okay, so these are called domain of environment. Okay, so this is your index of chapter number first. Okay, we will read all the topics in chapter number 1. First one is what is environments, second one is environment component, basically three components: natural, artificial and human environments, biotic and abiotic, human resource, and lithosphere, atmosphere, biosphere and hydrosphere. These are called domain of environments. Okay, and the one other topics, ecosystem. Okay, ecosystem is also important, and today we will read about environments. Okay, so environments means environments means our surroundings. Okay, environments means our surroundings. So we will write environments means our surroundings. Okay, it means our surroundings. Okay, that means any things that are in our atmosphere and that are usable by humans. Okay, and those components that are help to humans, and these components is also belong to environment. So environment means our surroundings. Okay, so how many components of environments? Components of environments. Okay, so how many components? First one is natural environments, and second one is artificial environments, and third one is human environments. Okay, so natural environment is a type of environments that grow naturally, okay, without human interfere. Okay, natural environment is a type of environment that grow naturally without human interfere. Okay, Example of natural environment: tree, okay, plants, any types of the flowers, fruit, okay. So these grow naturally. Grass, okay, straw, grass, trees, plants, flowers, fruits, seeds, okay. These are called natural environments, okay. Artificial environments means those environments, and artificial environment is a type of environments which are made by human beings, not naturally, okay. So artificial environments, that is road, school, college, marker, okay, duster, okay. So these are called artificial environments. And the last one is human environments. Those environments components which includes humans, okay. So these are called humans, such as family, human individual, okay, any human organization, okay. So these are called human environments, okay. So in this class we have discussed about environments and components of environments, okay. Next class we are discussing about uh, domain of environments and ecosystem, okay. We will discuss domain of environments and ecosystem, okay. So all the best to all of you. Stay in our homes and revise this portion and also note down your copy, okay. So all the best and thank you.